Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. The purpose of this video is to enlighten you guys about the cookie reward and most especially for you to witness my own redemption. Okay. Now there has been there has been huge traffic on the Krigo Cash site, especially when it comes to redeeming cookies. And no, there has been also in relation to a blog update by the TBC admin about a certain amount of cookies not given to people institutions. Okay, meaning that some people go and register their staff into TBC in a bid for them to earn cookies. All right, to earn 10, I think that's 10 TBC. Okay. Now because of that, the TBC admin said there is a cap to how much cookie redemption that such institution can have. Okay. Now I don't know if that's going to affect individuals like me who between the last redemption period and now have over 200 referrals, meaning that I have I'm starting to receive 20 TBC. But let me check out my Kringle Cash to see what gives. Okay, so because of the network and because of the traffic on the Kringle Cash, there's going to be some delays and there's going to be some cuts on the video. So please let me apologize ahead before you witness them. Okay. And I also apologize for my voice. I'm down with the flu, so I'm trying to manage myself to do this video as quick as I can, so I can go and get some bed rest. Okay. All right. So let me click on Kringle Cash. Okay, it takes us to where we're going to log in. Okay, besides, I'm doing this video from the from an old update. There's a recent update that shows you the full Kringle Cash site where you now select login for you to now come to this page and put in your username and your password. Okay, so let me log in proper. Then we'll head over to Cookie Reward. Also, you notice that I'm doing this video in a landscape format. Okay, the reason I'm doing it is because the Billion Coin the Billion Coin app has certain limitation when it comes to showing you your cookies. Okay, meaning it has to be in the horizontal or in the landscape. It has to be in landscape format for you to see the full amount of the cookies that you have. Okay. It's also like that in mobile when you're viewing your your cookie reward through a mobile browser. Okay, so that's why I kept it at landscape, so I don't have to tilt my phone during the period of this recording. Okay, so let me just log in and let's see what is waiting for us in the back office, my back office. All right, so I'm properly logged in to my Kringle Cash back office. So just click on my menu. Okay, click on my menu, then head over to Cookie Rewards. But before I do that, I just want to read this warning announcement by the TBC admin that says beware of scammers posing as TBC exchangers. Okay, beware of scammers posing as TBC exchangers. All right, so having said that twice, let me head over to Cookie Reward very fast and let's get this thing rolling. Okay, so I'll click on Cookie Rewards. Let's wait for it to load properly because there is serious high traffic on the Cookie Reward page. Seems like everybody wants to redeem their cookies on time. All right, so the page has finally opened. Okay, as you guys can see. So let me show you my cookie reward. So the total amount of cookies I have earned is 20. Sorry, it's not 20. It's 2,4,4,029,000. Okay, 2,4,4,029,000. That's the total number of cookies I have. The 2 billion is because of the number of referrals that I have given. So for 100 referrals should give you about 1 billion cookies. Okay, so when you have 200, you have 2 billion cookies. Okay, so when you now so based on what I can see here, I can see that the total amount of TBC I can redeem for Pringles is about 9 TBC and 9.94. Okay, that I don't understand, but I'll fully understand after I click the redeem now button. Like I told you guys, because of the massive sign up that some people probably have achieved. Okay, I think the TBC admin is trying to be pragmatic in putting limits, okay, on the number of cookies one can earn. So as you can see here, the maximum amount of TBC coin that can be given to an individual through cookie reward is 100 lifetime total TBC coins. Okay, let me break it down this way. What this means is that the highest you can ever receive is 100 TBC coins. Okay, lifetime, meaning if you earned or received 10 TBC for for 10 times, okay, that should put you about 100 TBC. So that means once you hit that 100 TBC, no more cookie reward redemption for you, no more cookie rewards for you. So that's what it means. So the TBC admin is putting a cap because some individuals are rather superstars or some are super crooks. Okay, so superstars, like me, for example, we have our means through blogging that we get people to sign up through our link. Okay, some super crooks might go and create links, email addresses, and start signing up ghost members to be able to achieve this mark. All right, so having addressed this, let me just click on the redeem now button. If you want to learn more about the maximum amount of TBC coins that we can give that can be given to an individual through cookie reward, okay, click on the cookie rewards redemption limitations, and it will take you straight to the blog where you can read about admin's message about such about the maximum amount of TBC coins that can be given to an individual. Okay, so having said that, it's now time for me to click on my redeem now button. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I've clicked on it and I'm being asked, are you sure you can only redeem cookie rewards once this period? I'm sure because I don't have any special plan for getting another 100, and besides I want to accumulate more TBC for next redemption period so that I can have as much TBC like I have now. So having done a self check, I click OK. All right, so it's saying processing. Let's see what happens after the processing. Okay, cookies have been redeemed and the page is loading. Well, let's wait and see what the page shows to us. All right, guys. So, having waited for the page to reload, I've come to see that I have 0 cookies remaining and 0 amount to be redeemed, meaning probably that the redemption is complete. But I'll do a part 2 of this video where I show you guys the cookies in my wallet. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with every single person who is a new member, who is an old member. Let them know how to redeem their cookies and let them know about the latest development so that our superstars and super crooks will know that, hey, there's limitation to what one person can get. Because the reason for this is admin has a limited amount of coins that he is distributing and from his own administrative wallet. If he goes and gives all those coins to one superstar or super crook, okay, that means the majority of people out there who needs this will end up not getting it and will end up having what is called a monopoly. Okay, and remember, TBC is not trying to inspire monopoly. We're trying to create a system that whereby poverty can be eliminated by empowering people to be millionaires and billionaires who will use their cash flow, their financial power to help better the society. So, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you for your patience. I hope this video makes sense to you. It's not of the best quality, but I pray that you bear with us and give us that thumbs up button if you find value in the video we just did. Also, feel free to share this video and share our channel so that people who are Tibicians and also non-Tibicians can subscribe and get updates on TBC, cryptocurrency, and on our podcast and the product show. So, guys, till I see you next time, take care and bye for now.